We're out here attempting to ice fish for the first time this year. Checking out everybody else's pails. And we bogart someone else's holes after they leave. We don't have all that expensive Jeffy gear. Hopefully, we don't get chased out because that storm is coming at us quick. We're set up over here. We're just checking out everybody else's holes, popping them open with my stick here. That's all we use to pop open the holes and keep the holes open is my doofy little walking stick I found a couple years ago. But we're hoping to at least catch one would be awesome. I don't care who, mine or Dad's. It doesn't really matter who. Just one would be good. Means you're not skunked. Last week we weren't able to fish. All the holes were too froze solid. So hopefully, cross your fingers, we can catch something, potentially, before that catches up to us. I don't know, it may be skunked. I don't know, hopefully. Unfortunately, that storm is catching up to us. Don't know if it's going to chase us out before we actually get something. We're trying. Here, fishy. Our little fishies. That storm is, looks like it's going to chase us out before we can catch anything. It's off that way already. Looks pretty over there. Because even the moon is out already. Pretty much a full moon tonight. But it's kind of pretty that way. And oh crap, that way. Looks like it's mostly going to the left though. If it starts to go to the right, we're screwed. That is one dark, ugly, low, snowy ass cloud. But if we can at least catch one, that would be awesome. Maybe. Before that hits us. Well, unfortunately, that damn storm just caught up with us, and we are in a frickin' frozen ass evil storm. Still trying to ice fish, but unfortunately, I think it's gonna chase us home. Unfortunately, it's our first time ice fishing this year, and I think we're gonna get chased home. That evil, icky-ass white crap is picking up. Although that's kind of pretty right there. Sun trying to peek through that evil crap. It's mostly going to the left, but still, we're in the damn storm right now. Oh, and that wind. Insta frozen face. As all those mountains disappeared. Those over there have disappeared. And the inside of my hoodie hood is now white. But I think it's gonna chase us home. We're gonna be skunked for our first time ice fishing and chased home in another darn storm. Damn evil icky ass white crap. When is it spring yet? No TFA today. Yay! They kicked on the pump. We might try fishing over here. If it keeps busting up towards the shore, we'll be able to fish right here, and maybe we'll catch something over here. Maybe where we normally fish.
Yeah.
Keeps creeping that way. Don't mind me, open up. Maybe we can at least catch one. And I'm cool with just one.
Yeah, me too.
Because that storm you just saw us in, that was right there, is now over there. It's past us already. So, I think we're gonna give this a minute or two and attempt to fish right here for a little bit. Yeah, it may just open up just enough for us to fish and hopefully catch something. Yay! Might just be able to catch something. Woohoo! Well, we're out here in that open spot that I showed you a little bit ago. And Dad actually caught one. Woohoo! Now if I catch one, we'll be good. We'll be done. Oh, it's cold. Yay! TFA actually got one! And my turn.